Hi guys, it's Krisha again, and I haven't really uploaded a video in a week because I'm not well. But as you know, Delhi University just held a webinar some days ago, and they have released quite a lot of updates about CSAS portal, and I thought I'll tell you all of that in brief, so yeah, so that you don't have to watch the entire webinar again. So that is what we will be discussing in today's video. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को डाउट था रिगार्डिंग द सीसास पोर्टल द लास्ट डेट वेदर यू हैव टू सेल्फ अटेस्ट योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट सो फॉर टुडेज वीडियो वील बी टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दिस what actually happens in the admission process. So here are the big updates. All right. So first of all, we talk of one thing that I made a reel about as well is that there are no cutoffs in Delhi University. So you know how people say that pehle the criteria was if you get 95% above and above, you'll probably get due and things like that, and that there's a certain cutoff for things like that. And I get a lot of comments asking me what can be the cutoff this year and all of that. And even I used to think there was a cutoff system in Delhi University, but the webinar, they have clearly mentioned that there are no cutoffs. The point is that there is a minimum score, there are no cutoffs. The minimum score, according to that, for example, if there are 50 students in the list, they'll take the top 10 students, and if there are people who have the same number of marks or same amount of marks, there would be a tiebreaker, which is your 12th standard K marks. So that is what will happen. There's a minimum score, no cutoff. And before, like even during our admission time, we did not know कि last person का कितना score था who got into the college, but this time they're going to do that. So you'd know that the last person who got into the course or the college, what was their score, and on the basis of that, you can gauge the entire idea of the entire process. So that will happen. Alright, the second thing is the fact that they said that you can be lucky at any score. Now, a lot of people are asking me that if I have a score like 600, 700, 800, 900 out of 1000, or whatever score they have, and whether I'll get SRCC, Hindu, LSR, Miranda, and things like that. The thing is, you cannot really be sure because, as they said, you can be lucky at any score, so there's no criteria that you have to get this kind of a score to get into this particular college, because the admission process does not work like that. You can get lucky at any score. So once again, don't make your preference sheet based on your score. Make a preference sheet that you truly want to get in. Make a preference sheet with the colleges that you actually want to get in and want to work hard in. So do that. Alright, the third update is self-attesting. So, like for 2023, till 2023, it was very important to self-attest all your documents. Even I attested all my self-attested my documents. However, you don't have to self-attest your documents anymore. You don't have to self-attest your documents anymore. You can just scan and upload them, and it will be good to go. No need to self-attest or sign the entire document for yourself. So you can do. Now, the correction window as well as the last date for CSAS, they said that the last date hasn't been revealed or it hasn't been decided as well for CSAS because CUT का result ही अभी तक नहीं आया है. It is hopefully the CUT result, as they said, should be out by the time of 30 July तक hopefully. I'm not sure time frame कितना होगा. But since the CUT results are not out, CSAS का last date भी अभी तक आया नहीं है. So don't worry about the last date, just keep filling your form. And correction window, I will be showing the notice from the CSAS का official PDF where they have written all the things that you cannot change in the correction window. So make sure make sure that you don't make any mistakes while filling that. They have a lot of things like the parent's name, age, and things like that. So if you fill all of these in a wrong manner, you don't have an option to correct them.
और हम क्या मतलब आई थिंक सारे फील्ड से शायद एडिट नहीं कर पाएगा बच्चा।
सारे फील्ड एडिट नहीं होंगे। जैसे कि कैटेगरी आप एडिट नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो कुछ चीजें एडिटेबल होंगी और कुछ नहीं भी होंगी। मार्क्स आप एडिट कर पाएंगे, तो अब कोशिश करेंगे आपके लिए करेक्शन।
Alright, so this was it for today's video. So these were the big updates for CSAS. Let me know in the comments the kind of videos you want to see next. And once again, I'm emphasizing no need to take tension about whether I get this college or not. The entire admission process is very different than what we think about. So yeah, all the best and see you in the next video. Bye bye.